Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Louis. Welcome. Hey, Solomon. Welcome. Hey, guys. Let's go over the markets. We did have a lot of volatility today. We had data come out today. Interest rate data that really moved the markets intraday. All right. I think most of the trades held in Forex or Monster Scalper, um, Forex Dominator. We'll take a look at equities and also, hey, Joe, welcome, Joe. And also, I know US 30 closed. All right, so let's go over the markets, and we'll uh, make sure everything is still intact. Okay. The Dow still holding the buy signal. All right, from yesterday here. So the Dow, S&P holding nicely, right? It's upward trend. Same with the Nasdaq, and then the Russell right here. The Dow was down 223 points. Nasdaq held was up. S&P was up, and then the Russell was down. But look at the VIX. The VIX is back at 13. All right, so that's good, guys. Hey, Betty, welcome. All right. Welcome, Joe. Welcome. All right. So VIX is at 13, guys. So that's good. 1388. All right. So we just need to make sure equity positions, those peaks, are held today. I know a lot of them were down for the day. All right. If you guys look here, sectors are definitely improving. All right. So we have the majority of the sectors are up. All right. Tech is still the number one sector right now. We only have two sectors that are still down. That's utilities and consumer staples. The rest of them are up. All right. So that's great news. I want to take a look at US 30. We had a great trade close today in US 30. So here was the previous trade here. Let's do this. Previous trade here, bought here, sold here. All right. And then bought here again, sold here. All right. So two great trades in a row in our Monster US 30 system. Right now, we should be out. Okay. Do not short it. All right. Do not short it because that a short signal might not last very long. All right. We still have green candles on the daily time frame. We are near resistance, and we should be taking long trades. So we get a long signal to go long. We'll send that out to our Monster US 30 traders. All right. We have really good resistance here. And here is the price action right here. Right here, price action right here. Hopefully to break through that resistance. So our Monster US 30 traders, be ready for that next buy signal. Okay, Solomon, be ready for that next buy signal. All right, so all right. Okay, let's go over Bitcoin. Look at this, Bitcoin moving lower. Sell signal was here at 26.9, almost 27. It's at 25. We might put this, let's do this. We're going to put it on a weekly time frame here. Move it from that daily time frame. Weekly time frame, white candle here on the weekly time frame, breaking support. All right, on the weekly time frame, we don't trade on that time frame, but we can still, look at the big picture. White candle coming there. The support is at about 15,000, but we got a really big support at 10,000. If we get a red candle here, all right, red candle breakthrough, we could test support around here, then here, and then here. So we'll keep that on the weekly time frame since we don't have a buy signal on the daily time frame there. Okay, let's go to all right, Monster Scalper. Let's take a look at those trades, see how those trades held up. Okay, had a lot of volatility today. So Monster Scalper long trades, guys. Monster Scalper long trades. Okay. All right, ZAR Yen. That held. ZAR yen holding nicely firm. Look at that. Look at this trade, guys. Look at that. No support and resistance lines. Perfect move up in the markup phase. Nothing to do. Just hold on to that trade if you guys are in it. Euro, yen. So the yen pairs are moving, guys. Euro yen, and we added a new yen pair today. Euro yen buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely. Aussie yen, same thing. Buy signal is here, moving up nicely. Purpose support and resistance. So pay attention to that, but nothing to do there. SGD JPY, all right. Buy signal is here. We got out, got back in, all right. All right. Pound yen. Look at pound yen, guys, moving up nicely. And then New Zealand yen, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Our monster scalper traders should be in these yen pairs. You guys should be in these yen pairs, holding on to these trades, not getting out. All right. No reason to get out of these trades. Okay. New Zealand CAD. All right. Buy signal is here, moving up nicely. Nice markdown phase. New Zealand dollar. Buy signal is here, holding. So the New Zealand pairs, the Kiwi pairs, holding nicely in monster scalper. All right. Aussie pairs, Aussie CAD, buy signal is here, all the way up here. Aussie dollar, all right, buy signal is here. Look at that. Great trades, guys. Really good trades in monster scalper. And they held for the most part. Let's make sure that the others held also. Euro HUF holding nicely, held today. EUR SGD, that's holding. All right. Euro dollar, right? We got out here, got back in here. That's holding. Euro Swiss, all right. Pull back today. Look at this, right? Really pull back, but held. White candle followed by green candles. All right. So it held, and hopefully it can move higher. Pound CAD, right? Moving higher. Look for the pound pairs to make a move, guys. Pound Swiss, all right. Pound Swiss, guys, hopefully it's building pretty good resistance here, right here, right? We're hoping for this pair to break out. Pound PLN, get out of that trade here. Red candles right here, so close that trade. I think this is the only one, hopefully. All right, and then pound Swiss was a new one that we added. All right, pound Swiss, a new one here. All right, so buy signal here, holding really good right here. All right, let's take a look at the shorts. If you guys have any, there's a pair you want me to take a look at, just let me know and we'll analyze it. All right. All right, shorts. Short positions in monster scalper. All right, these are current picks we've got going. All right. Dollar ZAR continue to move lower, guys. Lots of pips here. All right. Sell short signal was here. All right. In dollar ZAR, sell short signal right here. This red arrow right here. All red candles, nothing to do. Let it continue to move lower. USDN, okay. Sell short signal here. All red candles. Sellers are in control. Good short going. USD DKK, sell short signal is here. Moving nicely in the markdown phase. Dollar PLN closed the short position here, but we got a new one. This is the new one right here. All right. USD PLN. Euro ZAR right here. Another ZAR pair. Right. So dollar ZAR, Euro ZAR, and then we have pound ZAR all moving nicely all the way down. Right. Continuing to break new support levels. Pound ZAR, sell short signal is here, moving down nicely. And then a couple of the euro pairs. All right, so euro New Zealand, sell short signal here, all red candles trading nicely. Keep an eye on euro SEK, sell short signal was here. All right, moved up a bit. Look at that price action today, all that volatility, but closed white and closed down. Keep an eye here. All right, it's currently here, the candle. If it closes green or gives a sell signal by the system, get out. But keep an eye, if anyone is trading this one, keep an eye on it. All right. Okay. So that's monster scalper. Let's take a look at Forex Dominator, those trades. We'll start with the long trades. in Forex Dominator on the daily time frame here. All right, USD CNH holding its long trade. All right, for lots of pips here, guys. Look at this here. All right, buy signal is here. All right, every candle is a day's worth of data, so trending up nicely there. USD CNH, USD CZK. Keep an eye on this one. We got white candles here. You guys know whenever we get white candles, we've got to pay attention to those trades. All right. Same thing here. USD DKK, white candles here. No red signal. All right. No red candle. No red white signal. But here was the buy signal here. Buy signal here. White candles here. Pay attention to this. Hopefully we can get buyers to come back in. But keep in mind, these dollar pairs are shorting. We're shorting a lot of the dollar pairs in Monster Scalper. And we are long these dollar pairs in Forex Dominator. So eventually these might give sell signals or red candles. So if you're trading the dollar pairs long, really pay attention to those pairs. Okay. USD SEK. All right, buy signal here, white candle, green candles are coming back in. We like when these are in the same direction, trading in the same direction in Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator. All right, that's when they do the best. All right, USD SGD. All right, same thing here. So a lot of consolidation in here. Get a red candle, get out. We need buyers to come back in. Aussie yen pairs are doing well in Forex Dominator. Aussie yen, all right, holding nicely. CAD yen, buy signal is here, trading up nicely. Swiss yen, buy signal is here, trading nicely there. Euro yen, buy signal is here. Look at this, breaking resistance there. Pound yen, really good trade going in pound yen, guys. And you guys know pound yen, that's the biggest move in Forex, right? So pound yen, nice trade going there. Hong Kong, HKD, JPY, right? Buy signal is here holding. SGD, JPY, buy signal is here still holding, guys. All that volatility today. And these yen pairs really held nicely. ZAR yen on the daily time frame, all right? Trading nicely there. Some of the pound pairs, all right? Pound pairs are breaking out, okay? All right, our Monster Scalper trader, Forex Dominator traders really pay attention to these pound pairs. They've been consolidating for a while and they're looking to break out. So pound Swiss, buy signal is here, breaking out, slowly breaking out. Pound HKD, that's your Hong Kong pair. All right, buy signal came in today, guys. Right, buy signal came in today. And looks like it wants to break out. Pound SGD, buy signals right here. Look at that. Nice price action. Every day keeps moving higher and higher. All right. Good trade going here. Aussie Swiss. All right. Buy signal here. Holding. So these are the Aussie pairs. Good markdown phase there on Aussie Swiss. Aussie New Zealand. All right. Keep an eye on it. Purpose support and resistance. All right, all green candles though. And then a new one here, Aussie dollar. All right, so those are the long positions in Forex Dominator. Let's take a quick look at the shorts. Short positions. All right, and we had a great, I forgot which pair though, great long position. When we get to Forex Dominator, we'll look for it, a great long position that closed. Short positions, Forex Dominator. USD MXN still holding it short. Look at this, guys. Trading nicely down. All right. Euro CAD. All right. Looks good so far. Euro HUF. Keep an eye on this one here. Sell short signal was here right at support. White candles. We need red candles to come back down. Breaking support. Okay, so keep an eye on that one. Same with euro dollar. All right, we got white candles coming in. We need sellers to come back down, push that price down, break support. Okay, so another one here. So those euro pairs, they're trying to move higher. All right, so keep an eye on these. All right, euro pound sell short signal is here. This one is holding. All right. Then New Zealand CAD, same thing here. White candles are coming in. If you guys are in it, anyone is in it, keep a close eye on it. We need sellers to red candles to come back in, sellers to come back in, push that price down. New Zealand dollar, we need to close this trade. All right. Sell short signal was here. Green candle came in here. That's the same as a sell signal by your system. So we remove it, close that trade. All right, don't hold on hoping that it will come back down. All right, so buyers can really get in like here, and then really, that trade could get out of control. So take your loss, get out. All right, Euro Aussie sell short signal is here, trading nicely down there, and US dollar CAD. All right, this one here. This could be a good short, guys. So we have support, really good support here. And the trick, this trade here is a bit tricky. All right, support is right here. The previous 3 short signals failed. Here, here, and here. So we have really good support. This sell short signal is holding right here. So if you guys get a white candle on this one here, get out quickly. Okay, we really need this one to break support and hold. All right, if you did not get in, that's fine. If you want to wait for further confirmation, which would include a candle not only breaking but closing behind this below support here, would be further confirmation. Okay, but we've sent it out as a pick. All right. Let's take a look at new positions that we sent out today in both Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator. Okay, and then we'll go over equities. We have a lot to go over in equities. All right, so Monster Scalper, let's take a look at those trades. New picks we got today in Monster Scalper. All right, so we had Swiss yen. And pay attention to these yen pairs, guys. So Swiss yen, you guys know the yen pairs are moving. All right, that's a really good long trade going there. All right, so you guys saw ZAR yen. Look at ZAR yen. Buy signal was there all the way up there. ZAR yen is the number one right here. Number one trending pair. Number one trending pair in Monster Scalper. All right, that's a big deal. It's at 53. All right, so Swiss yen gave a new buy signal today, and it's got really good resistance right up here. All right, so this one could break out. The next one, Euro SGD. Let's take a look at that. Euro SGD, another buy signal came in today. Where is it? Right here. All right, nice. Look at this markdown phase, guys. Those of you who complain about, right, we don't get really good markdown phases in Forex. Here is a good one for you guys. Okay, good markdown phase, right? Nice accumulation. Buyers came in, buy signal came in right here on this candle, this triangle right here on a break of this resistance, and look what buyers are doing. Okay, so good trade there going Euro SGD. All right, so that buy signal came in today right here. And then the next one, when we send these out, our Monster Scalper traders, when we send those alerts out, all right, don't wait for the evening sessions for those buy signals, because we'll send those buy signals when they come out, because Forex moves. We can wait for equities, all right, for the evening sessions, but we can't wait for Forex. When we get those signals, like this one came in this morning, all right, we've got to get on that, because right now it's too late. Okay, so Euro SGD, all right, Euro SGD long, and then we had a short in Monster Scalper here. So USD HKD right here, short trade right here. All right, still holding right here. Not crazy about this trade here, right? Not really good, right? Not a really good pattern here. All right, so you don't have to take this one. We send it out. We're hoping that the dollar would really make a break lower. All right, so not a great one. If you decide to trade it very lightly. Okay, all right. All right, now Forex Dominator. We've got some trades in Forex Dominator also. So we have Aussie dollar. The Aussie pairs are Aussie pairs are moving. So Aussie dollar right here. A buy signal came in right here. Let's see what the other ones are doing. Aussie dollar here, Aussie New Zealand. So they're fairly new trade going there. But Aussie dollar, we added Aussie dollar here. All right, but that's a fairly new move with the Aussie pairs in Forex Dominator. All right. Pound HKD. Let's take a look at that. Pound HKD, another new trade today. All right. Pound HKD. Now remember, right? The pound guys have been consolidating for a long time, pound pairs, and they're looking to break out. All right. So this one here, and you guys know with Forex Dominator, we'd hold on to those trades a long time, right? A long time. If they hold. All right. So nice. Look at this. Nice upward trend line here and breaking out resistance right here. Buy signal came in right here. So pound HKD. All right. So keep an eye on that one there. Hey, Mary. Welcome, Mary. Okay. All right. And the last one in Forex Dominator, pound dollar. So again, another pound pair, right? I know it doesn't look great in here, but we are getting signals and they are breaking out. The pound dollar, very similar. All right, so we have pretty good resistance here. All right, and then we have a nice upward trend line here. And again, the pound group, that group is breaking out, already broke out in Monster Scalper, and now looking to break out after a long consolidation in here, right? High here, high here. Okay, so keep an eye on that. All right, so we have Swiss yen, euro, SGD, and dollar HKD. That is in Monster Scalper. Okay, and Aussie dollar, pound HKD, and pound dollar in Forex Dominator. Okay, hey Chris, welcome. Chris, welcome. All right, so that's all we've got with Forex. Keep an eye again on those yen pairs right here. Yen pairs are moving. Hopefully you guys got on these ZAR yen. All right, that's the number one trending pair right now in Monster Scalper. Okay, Aussie yen, another good one here. That's the fourth trending pair. All right, in Monster Scalper, the second most trending pair, short. Now, short, all right, is dollar ZAR, short right here. All right, in the short system, dollar ZAR. All right, so great trades, guys. Great trades. Hopefully you guys are taking advantage of these moves. Okay. We talked about US 30, but again, I want to touch on this. Do not go short. All right, do not go short. I know it gave a short signal here. Wait. All right, wait for the next long position to take it. Okay, let's go over equities. We have a lot to go over with equities. The goal this evening with equities, Stock Boss and Bullmaster, we want to make sure that because of the volatility today, that those trades held. Okay, now keep in mind, we do have buy signal on the Dow, buy signal on the S&P, buy signal on the NASDAQ, buy signal on the Russell on the daily time frame, right? The VIX is at 1388, so that's great, all right? That's great. We haven't seen that all year, all right? So 13, I think a couple of weeks ago, it fell to the same amount, but that's great, all right? Anything under 20 is good. And most of the sectors are holding, right? We have only two sectors that are down, all the rest are up. So market is healthy, right? All that data should be out of the way now to get this market to move. S&P, you guys know we have a buy signal on the weekly time frame on the S&P. This is a big deal. So as we go through these stocks, I want you guys to just keep that in mind, right? The environment that we're in, all right? It's a buying environment right now for stocks, not selling. It's a buying environment. S&P breaking, look at that, we're breaking this resistance right here on the S&P on the weekly time frame, not the daily, on the weekly time frame. All right, good price action, buy signal here. Here's the all-time highs on the S&P. Nasdaq, same thing. The previous buy signal on the S&P was 2020. All right, same thing for the Nasdaq. Previous buy signal here. Here we are again with the buy signal here. Good price action right here. Here's the all-time high. All right, only one we're waiting for is the Nasdaq. Here's the Nasdaq, right? Testing resistance right here. All right, hopefully we can get a break and get a buy signal. But on the Dow, look at it. This is how close we are to the all-time high. All-time high is right here. Here we are right here. So market, as we go through these stocks, we might have seen some bit of retracement in these stocks, but we just remember, right? We in a bullish. We're definitely bullish in stocks. Okay, all right. Based on these buy signals and the price action. So let's go through these stocks. And these are picks. There's a lot of picks. So all we're doing, we're going to go through these. We had several of these, a lot of red today. All right. So these are the green. These were the ones that were up. And then down here, all these are all the ones that were green. So we want to go through these and make sure we don't need to close anything. All right. So our stock boss traders, you guys want to do that? We have a few stock boss traders here this evening. You guys want to go through the same thing. Go through your positions at least once a day. Run through them. Make sure that you don't have any red candles or sell signals. Okay, white candles, you can still hold on to the trade, but pay attention to them. Okay, so let's go through them. All right, so we want to look over here and we want to make sure that we've got all red candles. Okay, I mean all green candles, all green candles. And the hope is they're moving up nicely in the markup phase. Okay, all right, let's go through them. All right, look at DHC. It held today, guys. Look at that. All right. All right. All right. They're holding. All right. So we need all green candles. We'll stop for white candle, red candle, or sell signal. Okay. And our stock boss traders, you guys should be in stocks. All right. You should be. Now is the time. MKFG, white candles, consolidating. Keep an eye on it. If anyone is in it, keep an eye on it. Okay. I will stop. If you guys want me to analyze any particular symbols, just let me know and I will stop. OMER, white candles here. All right. So keep an eye on this one. If you're in it, the hope is we need to get buyers, green candles to come back in like here. All right. So nothing to be afraid of yet. All right. If you get a red candle, have to get out or sell signal. Otherwise, we need buyers to come back in. Okay. All right, HOUS, white candidate. Just pay attention to it. Don't close the trade, just pay attention to it. GLYC, same thing. White candles there holding support. All right, pay attention to it. SANA, same thing. White candles, just make sure you got on your radar. ALLK, white candle there. All right, keep an eye on that. TWKS, white candle here. All right. It's consolidating right here. We need buyers to come back in, continue to move higher. All right. What's that? CMRX, white candle. Just pay attention to it. Okay. Most of these held. They didn't make big moves higher, but at least they held. All right, ADCT. We've got a red candle. We've got to close this one, okay? All right. So ADCT, look here, guys. Buy signal was here at 254. Sellers came in here, closed today at 229. Red candle here. If anyone is in it, close that trade. So first thing tomorrow, close that trade. Okay. ADCT. All right, we'll remove it. All right, AMWL, white candle, pay attention to it. Still trading near the buy there, but pay attention to that. Same with SOND, white candle there. All right. Another one, SELB, big white candle there. All right. Now, if we have a big update tomorrow, which we could, all right, we could get buyers to come in. This is why we need to continue to hold with these white candles. You guys will notice a lot of times buyers will come back in after these white candles, right? They tend not to with the red candles. All right. TMC, that's holding. All right. CANO, right? Last one here. Give a sell signal and a red candle today. All right. So we definitely need to close this trade. So not bad, right? With the selling and the volatility there, we only had two stocks we needed to move. So buy signal here was at 150, guys, right here, right? Broke resistance. Sell signal came in right here on a break of support, this support line right here. So we got a red candle, sell signal, white arrow here to be out. So we need to be out. All right. The sell signal came in at $1.21. Okay. So get out of that trade. We don't want to be in and this happens. So get out. Now, if buyers come back in, which that will happen, okay, from time to time, buyers can come back in and then we can get another buy signal. Okay, so but until then, close it. All right, be out of it. All right, so that's Stock Boss. Let's take a look at Bull Master. And just remember, Stock Boss, stocks that are below $10. Bull Master, stocks that are over $10, mainly large cap stocks. Okay. Usually they tend to hold on to those large cap stocks better, but we'll see how they did. All right, same thing. We're looking for white candles as a warning. All right, white candles as a warning. Red candles, sell to get out, or white arrow sell signal. Okay, let's go through these. And what we want to make sure is that these are nicely moving higher in the markup phase. So all these, let's see here, all these were up. And then look at all these were down for the day. Okay, hold on. Okay. All right, we'll go through this quickly. All these are picks. Look at Intel. We just got into Intel, give that pick on Intel right here. Buy signal was here at 30, 32. It's at 35. Good one for options, guys. Some of these will be expensive, but you can trade the call options on these. Most of these, if not all of these, we got in right at the buy signal. Okay, right at the buy signal. And that's what you want to do when you run either with any of the systems. You want to get in at the buy signal. once a day, you just want to go through heat seeker, guys. Go through your trades. So far, no, not a single white candle. Let's keep going. Really good so far. Not bad. All right. So DOCU right here, DOCU, right? Right here, white candle. So pay attention, right? If anyone is in it, just watch it. We need buyers to come back in. If you get a red candle, set a signal by the system, get out of it. So that's the first one there. Right. This one here, CRSP, we got a sell signal by the system here. All right. So the buy signal was at 53. Sell signal price broke support. We got white candles, no red candles, but we have a sell signal here to exit. All right. Sell signal came in at $60. So we should be out of that trade. All right. CRSP, if you're in it, close that trade. All right. SWTX, white candle there. If anyone is in it, keep an eye on it. Another white candle, OMI, white candle is right here. All right. Buy signal was at 1834. Candle close today at 1890. All right. We need buyers to come back in. We've got resistance right here. All right. So we need buyers to come back in. All right. Test resistance or break resistance. Red candle, get out. Okay. All right. All right. TSVT. All right. Right here, we have a sell signal. Buy signal was at right around $11. All right. Broke support, gap down. There's nothing we can do about this, guys. Gap is just nothing we can do. Gap down, all right, at the market open with a red candle, sell signal by the system to be out, okay, at 1077. If you're in it, just anywhere in here, close the trade, okay? So just close it, get out of it. We'll remove it here, all right? There's so many opportunities we don't have to stick with. All right. If we're not supposed to be in it, let's get out of it. All right. There's a lot of opportunity, and there'll be a lot more opportunity. All right, as the market continue to move higher. Okay. All right. So let's go through new opportunities in Stock Boss and Bullmaster. We're looking for new buy signals. New buy signals. And we'll go through this quickly. I doubt we'll have a lot of new stocks though, all right, for the day, because the day was down. NASDAQ was up, S&P was up. But let's run it through Heat Seeker right now. We'll do a manual scan here. All right. All right, not bad. So we got 98 in Stock Boss. 98 in Stock Boss. Let's take a look at the sectors, basic materials, healthcare, not a decent amount in healthcare. Technology still has the most, okay? But we can trade. You can trade anything in here as long as we have a good buy signal, okay? Good buy signal. and a good markdown phase. We will look for opportunities in the reaccumulation phase because the market is healthy. So we'll look for opportunities in the reaccumulation phase. And our stock boss traders and bull master traders will also send these out later this evening. All right, for you guys. All right, let's go through this. New opportunities, and we're looking for only, guys, buy signals that came in today. Okay, so new buy signals that came in today. Our stock boss traders, and like I said, I know we have some here. And our bull master traders, you guys want to do this, especially now when we have buy signals all over the place for stocks. Okay, so once a day, you never know when you find, there are lots of opportunity, so you never know when you find, right, some really good opportunities. So we're going to go through and look for buy signals that came in today. So here's one now. All right, right up the bat here. Not a very good price chart here. See here, a lot of noise, a lot of consolidation, right? You could trade this for a range trade, but that's not what we're looking for, right? We want to get on these trades and hold on as long as possible. All right, so good buy signal, but not good price action. We're looking for a good markdown phase. Okay. All right, let's keep going. So we have about 98. Keep in mind, a lot of these we have a lot of picks, so a lot of these we're in already. Okay, NKLA in Stock Boss. Let's make sure we're not in it. NKLA. All right, that's a new one in Stock Boss. So NKLA, Stock Boss. All right, so nice markdown phase, guys. Look here, nice markdown phase. Good risk reward. It fell from about $18, $18, $19. Like a nice markdown phase. Look at this. Buyers came in today, broke resistance right here. Here is your resistance line. Buy signal came in right here at $1.08. Okay, so fell from about $19, $20 to $1.08. Definitely we'll take that. Okay. NKLA. All right, let's keep going. We're looking for buy signals, new buy signals that came in today, only today. We're in this one. Elan, ELAN, Elan. All right, we're not in this one here. All right, good markdown phase, guys. All right, fair from 35. Trading at 9. Buy signal came in here. Good resistance here. All right, so we'll add that. ELAN in Stock Boss. Let's keep going. Oops, hold on. All right, ILPT. All right, look at this one, guys. You never know what you'll find, guys. That's why we want to go through these every day. That's why we do this. $28. All right, $28. All right, good markdown phase, right? So look at all of that selling. That's what we want. Want that price to come down, right? Buy signal. Look at this buy signal here. Perfect buy signal came in here. Right. Good support down here. That's your protection right here. Big candles came in today. So these buyers are jumping in, right? Right. Big buyers are jumping in. Buy signal came in here on this candle right here at 237, closed at 257. So good one here. If you're going to put a stop loss, those of you with the system, just use your system. If you don't have the system and you're looking to take this trade or any of these trades, make sure you put your stop loss right below support area there. Right, that's a good one here. ILPT, ILPT in stock boss. All right. All right, let's keep going. Halfway there. All right, HEPS. Let's make sure we're not in this one. This one sounds familiar. HEPS. All right, we're not in this one here. A decent markdown phase, guys. All right, fell from about what's that, $14, $15. All right, quite a bit of consolidation. All right, resistance is right here. All right, broke resistance today with a buy signal, not a strong buy signal. Right, that candle came back down, but still a good setup here. All right, so and that's trading at $1.30. If that get up to, let's say, $4 or $6, guys, that's 400, 600% profit. Okay, so this inexpensive stocks will move. HEPS, all right, in stock boss. Let's keep going. ZH, nothing here. We know we can't trade all of these, but we can find a few. Then keep adding. As they build profits, you can take those profits and reinvest them. All right. Or Forex traders, also remember those profits you take when you build in positions, just be careful, right? You can take those profits that you're in and just add when you get new trades, right? But do that slowly. UMC, UMC. Let's make sure we're not in this. It does sound familiar. Yeah, we're in this one. BW. Let's see here. All right, nothing here, guys. Look here. See how choppy this is? Look at this. Very different. All right, they're very different from which was the last one here. If you look at this chart here, right, that's very, very different from ILPT. Right, very different chart. All right, this is what we want. All right, and you guys can take a picture of this, right, so that you know this is what we're looking for. This is a really good setup, nice markdown phase, and the buy signal came in today, right when the buyers start to come in. Worst case scenario, if it fails, we'll get a sell signal, all right, at support. Okay, almost done with stock boss there. All right, VNET. All right, okay, not bad. Fell from about what's that? 25, trading at $3. Buy signal came in right here. All right, not a bad trade. You do have consolidation in this area here. All right, you got to get above perhaps $6 to really see it move. VNET in stock boss. JetBlue, we're in. Look at JetBlue. JetBlue held. We just got into JetBlue recently, and look at that move in JetBlue, guys. All right. So, and the last one here. Another good chart, another very good chart here. A lot of consolidation in here. Okay, so not bad, not bad. We've got what, 5, considering the selling we had today in Stock Boss. All right, so not bad. Let's take a look at Bull Master, and then we'll be done. All right. Let's see how many we have. 156 in Bull Master. We've been averaging about over 200, so dropped a bit. Let's take a look at so healthcare. We've got a large amount of healthcare and technology. A good bit of technology. So technology, guys, is still where you want to be. Right. Look at this, a lot of technology. All this is technology. All this here is technology stocks, okay? But as long as we have a good entry, right? Nice markdown phase, right? Good buy signals. All right, so let's go through these and we'll be done. Remember, Bull Master traders, Stock Boss traders, just once a day. All right, go through these. Or come here, okay? And we're going to start taking these trades here, right? These are reaccumulation phase trades, right? Where we are breaking new highs. As this market continue to move higher, we'll find opportunities, guys, not just at the bottom. Eventually, these trades that are at the bottom there, all right, eventually they're going to move higher and we'll be out of opportunities. And then we're going to have to trade trades that are continuing, taking a break, continuing to move higher. These reaccumulation trades are really good. All right, so we're going to start trading these. Okay, so ERJ, all right, had 2 previous decent trades here, here, and here, still in the markup phase. If we draw a trend line here, you guys will notice, okay, that we've got a nice trend going right here, breaking resistance right here. Look at this. Here's resistance right here. Breaking resistance. Buy signal came in right here. Let me open it up. Buy signal came in right here. Okay. So those sometimes work out really good, especially when the market is healthy, which it is. All right. So we're going to add this in Bull Master, ERJ in Bull Master. All right, and this one isn't, it's relatively inexpensive, $16. All right, and that's inexpensive for Bull Master. All right, ERJ, let's keep going. EH, all right, EH. Nice markdown phase, fell from 45. All right, it had a previous good trade here, right, from $5 to about, what's that? $10. All right, so 100%. Here's another trade going right here. All right, so we'll add that buy signal here. It's left a bit, but not too far. So EH in Bull Master. Okay, all right. We do want buy signals that came in today. Buy signals that came in today. Are we in this one? All right, let's take a look. Consolidation in here, it's a low consolidation. All right, not a, I think we can find better opportunities. Okay. Now, several of these we're already in. All right, a lot of these we're already in. So AG and C. All right, we're not in this one. All right, not bad. All right. Descent markdown phase had a previous buy signal here. All right. bought here, sold here. All right. Another buy signal right here. So we'll add this A, G, and C. New buy signals that came in today, guys. We'll be done. All right. ADN, ADTN. ADTN. All right. We're not in this one here. Good one here. Descent markdown phase. All right. Actually, gap down right here. All right. Nice accumulation right here. Buyers came in. Buyers came in actually yesterday. All right. Right here, our protection support is around 849. All right. Buy signal came in right at 1035. All right. Nice trade here. All right. So ADTN. And that's in Bullmaster. Okay. Let's keep going. Kavana, we got in Kavana, guys, at what was that? Right at 1091. Look at that. It's at 2140. All right. Just let it run. A lot of these we're already in. All right. We're just looking for new opportunities, guys. Let's keep in mind when they run through heat seeker, they don't go away, right? Eventually they will go away if the volume really slows down. Okay. So if you miss it, we want to get it that day, right? But sometimes they'll stay around if the volume holds. UTE. Let's make sure we're not in this one. All right, good. This one looks good. All right, choppy in here, but not bad. It fell from 106. All right. Buy signal came in at 56. Not a good risk reward there. All right. But a good one for options. All right. Not a bad trade here. All right. These trades can do really well. All right. Buy signal came in here. They pull back, retrace, held support, and now buyers are coming in. All right. So this is a good one for some call options. So we'll add this LITE. That sounds so familiar. Yeah, we're in LITE. I'm sorry, guys. We're in this one. We're in this one. All right. But if someone wanted to, if you guys wanted to get in this, we're in it already. If someone wanted to get in this, it's a good one also. All right. It's still okay to get in. You notice most of these stocks, guys, they're all green on the right here. They're all green. All right. So markets, these stocks are moving. We've been talking about this. So it shouldn't be a surprise. We're in that one. We're going to start, like I said, taking these reaccumulation trades. WDAY. Let's make sure we're not in this one. We're in this one. All right. That's a reaccumulation trade there we're doing. So many opportunities, guys. As traders, this is what we want. We have opportunities in the futures market. We have opportunities in Forex. We've got opportunities in equities. We've got opportunities all over the place. All right. Things are moving. Plug, we're in plug. Look at plug. Still good to get in too, guys. Plug, PLUG. Qualcomm. Most of these we're in. Looking for new buy signals. All right. Nope. A lot of consolidation. Good trade going here, but not a good chart there. Okay. Almost done. Look at SYM, guys. Buy signal were all the way. No, we didn't. No, that was a reaccumulation. Never mind. TER. We're in TER. Very, very choppy. ACMR. All right, we're not in this one here. All right, decent markdown phase, fell from 37, trading at 11. All right, buy signal came in today. All right, it's got some consolidation, but you have resistance. It's breaking near-term resistance right here. You got some more resistance here. All right, market's whole, market is healthy, so we could get a lift here. Okay, so we'll add this one, ACMR. Find the best one, guys. Find the best, the ones you like the best. Okay. All right. ANSS, that's a reaccumulation trade there. We'll add that. All right. It's got pretty good previous trade. Right. This one didn't work out, but this one worked out really well. And then here we are. It's got resistance right here. And it's got a buy signal right at resistance here. Okay. They did some selling right here. And here it is again, looking to break out. Okay. And then the high is here. So if it can get to this next high right here, it could break out. All right. All right. So buy signal here, 330.34. It's expensive, but you could do call options on this one. ANSS. All right. In Bullmaster. And I promise, guys, just a couple more here. Look at this one, NETE. Are we in this one? NETE. NETI, I'm sorry. NETI. NETI. No, we're not in this one. We're in NET and NET. Hold on. All right. I think we're in this one. NETI, we're in this one here. But it's still good to get in, guys. That buy signal came in yesterday. So that's see why it's important to get in at that buy signal. Buy signal came in yesterday on this candle. All right. And look what it did today. Okay. Still okay to get in. All right. And it's getting past that high there. Okay. So the next major area, let's take a look quickly at the weekly time frame. Oh, look at that. It's got a long way to go, guys. Look at the week. Look at it's got a new buy signal on the weekly time frame. Really keep an eye on this one here. All right, NETR. I make a note here too. I mean, there's so many here. But look at the weekly. It's breaking out early on that weekly right here. Buy signal came in this week on it. Okay. All right. So not a bad trade going here. Let's move it back to the daily. All right. So it looks like, it's getting close to the top here on the daily, but that weekly really opened things up. Okay. All right. We got a nice buy signal here. Very choppy chart there. We'll leave that alone. All right, that's it. Okay, guys, that's it. Keep in mind, just remember, Forex, Monster Scalper, the yen. You guys should be all over these yen pairs. All right, all over these yen pairs. ZAR yen is the biggest mover. We added Swiss yen today. All right, with the new buy signal. All right, they should break out. It should follow the other yen pairs. Look at CAD yen, Aussie yen. So we should be in these trades already. Okay, in these trades already. The Aussie pairs. All right, definitely. Pound pairs. That's a new breakout. All right, in the pound pairs, we have new buy signals coming in these pound pairs. Okay. Forex dominator, same thing, yen pairs. Okay. Your Monster US 30, again, wait to take any trades on this. We'll wait for a long trade here. All right. And again, equities, right? Buy signal on the Dow. We haven't had this in a while where we have buy signals on all four of the indexes. Most of the sectors are moving. We only have two sectors that are not moving. And look at the VIX. VIX is way down at 13. Okay, we can get that. We could see that the VIX below 10 if it continues. Okay, so guys, pay attention. This is the time, right, to get everything together. You guys should be all over these trades already, though. I know some of you, I've been hearing from you guys. So, all right. Okay, guys, take care. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. And remember, on Saturday, we have our beginners class. Okay. See you guys then. Take care. Bye-bye.